This Coldwell Banker College real estate property video is presented by Kathy.clapp. Great business and rental opportunity in Fort Recovery. With a Harvest Jubilee painted on the side gives you that welcome home feeling. Major renovations in bar/dining room 2014. New awnings 2020, 2 new water heaters 2018, new electric baseboard heat 2017, new HVAC bar/dining room 2017. Electrical upgrades 2014-2020, plumbing 2014-2020. Metal roof inspected and sealed 2019. New flooring in areas 2022. New wall/ceiling drywall in kitchen 2022. D5 liquor license included. Upstairs 3-bedroom/2 BTH apt. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy.clapp at 513-523-2181.